Hello everyone, I'm back with another case video for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and this is from Caseology. This is the Parallax case. You pick it up on Amazon for $24.99. It comes in ash gray and matte black. So I decided to pick it up today. I wanted to check out a couple of new cases. Still kind of going for different alternatives here. Haven't quite figured it out yet in terms of which one I like, but we'll go from here. So this is Caseology. Okay, this one is the matte black version. So you get quite a bit of things here. You have some instructions. All right. Welcome to the club. All right. I really like their Afflex cases, but unfortunately I didn't see one for this, and a bunch of stickies. So these stickies, I imagine, will help hold this in place here. Here's the case itself. So lots of extra stickies. So this is kind of like a hard plastic on the inside. That feels pretty flimsy and cheap. I'll say for 25 bucks, this package here, this is the only redeeming quality of it. I really like the way the back feels. It feels really nice. It's kind of like a nice texture. It's not quite silicone, but not hard plastic. It's kind of an interesting feel in between. It feels nice, actually. But this, I mean, look at that. This is ridiculous. This is probably one of the worst front cover cases I've seen. Yeah, horrible. This hard plastic on the inside. It's interesting. Caseology is really hit and miss. Like, some of their cases are outstanding. I really like the Afflex case. I like a couple of the other cases, but this Parallax case is pretty cheap. So yeah. So there we go. And it goes on pretty easily. I don't have stickies on it. I'm not gonna keep it. Just for the front cover alone, and for $25, no way. This is a $15 case at best. I imagine the stickies will help with some of the flimsiness here, so that'll be fine. It feels nice. If you want to go by the feel, like these edges feel nice. This feels, the edges all the way around. Cutouts are solid. They fit well. All good. Okay. The back feels really nice, but this cheap plastic, it kind of just, I mean, why cheap out right here? Just make it like kind of nice and smooth. I mean, why cheap out with this? That's, and then the front, especially the front, it's really flimsy. I mean, I don't know how this would hold up over time. Yeah. The case itself it looks nice. Aesthetically, it's nice. It feels nice. The quality of it, it's not worth $25. I would say 15 at the most, if that. And I think that they really have a winner with their other cases, their Afflex cases, and too bad they couldn't get something similar of quality of that for the price. This, I probably would pass on this. I don't know what the Parallax cases are like for their other models. Like if it kind of, I can kind of see how this would be a win, because it does feel really nice, but just the quality of it, it's not quite the same quality as some of the other Caseology cases that I've reviewed for different phones, particularly the Pixels. But anyhow, okay, well, that's all. Just wanted a quick overview of that. $25, it's not as bad as the Rinky case for $20. That's way worse quality, so I'll give it that. It does feel nice. I would say if you want to try it out for yourself, just to kind of get the feel of it, if you're okay with the flimsiness of it and you're good with the stickies, kind of you want a real thin case, then I could see maybe. But for me personally, I can't, I'm not going to spend that much money for this low of quality of case, especially when you see things like Le Beagle. You see these cases, and these are, I mean, it's got matte on the inside. I paid $10 for this case. It's got like a nice feel on the inside. Why this feels nice, it feels nicer than this. This was 10 bucks. So yeah. Anyhow, okay. Well, that's all for that. That was the Caseology Parallax Case, and for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Hope you're well. Hope your family's well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.